Hi, today I'm going to show you how to submit a bid for a HUD foreclosure on the HUD Home Store website, hudhomestore.gov. Go in there, you search your address. This is my listing here on Avery Road. It's going to pop up. You click on the link there. Scroll down, submit bid. Click the I am not a robot. Your broker will have to have a NAID number to be able to do it this quickly. There's 4 steps to this. You put in your purchase price, $425. Is the listing price. You choose which kind of financing you're using or whether you're paying cash. So in this case, it'd be conventional. If you're asking for closing costs, HUD will sometimes pay up to 3% of the sale price in that. In this case, we're doing $10,000. Buyer's asking for $10,000. The brokerage commissions will automatically populate 3% of the sale price, and it'll do the net to HUD. This person will be an owner occupant, and we're going to either give them permission to hold it as a backup offer, but in this case, the buyer does not want to do that. Save and continue. Then we're going to fill in the purchaser information. This person does not have any affiliation with HUD or its field service managers, etc. And I am not involved in the selling. Broker agent is not involved in purchasing the property, just assisting the person in purchasing. They're going to have an individual social security number. Sorry about that. Purchaser name is going to be Joe Black. And you're going to put Joe Black's home address in here. 123 Main Street, Olympia, Washington. Oops. Email address, joe@aol.com. That'll go in twice. And his phone number. Save and continue. Then we move on to, okay, whoops, I had a typing error, sorry about that. Save and continue. Then we'll move on to step 3, which is the BSCA information. So this is who you're going to use for your closing agent. In this case, we're going to choose Lewis County Title, and they pop right up. And the officer's name that we're going to use is Tracy Borsam, and you choose a backup offer. So we'll try Amber on this one. Save and continue. That goes very quickly. And then so I am the broker of my company. So your broker is going to be the one who signs for this, unless you have them do a letter for you saying that you can be that signer instead. And basically, here's your summary. You want to go over to make sure that all of this information is correct. You will click check this box, you agree to the terms, and your I'm not a robot, and then you will confirm this bid. Now, I'm not going to do that because it's not a bona fide bid, but I just wanted to walk you through the steps real quick. I hope this helps. Angela Filkins, 360-402-2532.